friends. Today you're going to need this page and this page out of your books. That's page 21 and 22. Well, not out of your book, out of your math packet. And you will need a pencil, as always. Pause the video right now if you need to go and get either of those things so that you're prepared. The first thing that I want to look at is called addition doubles and subtraction doubles. So addition doubles mean 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So most of us, for some reason, are able to remember our doubles really well. They just resonate in our brains and we remember them. The funny thing is, subtraction doubles aren't any more challenging than the addition doubles. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the products, if you add those together, equal the total, the beginning number. And so I want you to keep this in mind as we are doing this lesson. So I might refer back to this chart as we're teaching this lesson. So let me grab another piece of paper here. My goodness, I have it right here and it's just being all tangled up for some reason. Okay, and we'll use this. So there is a strategy that we can use using our doubles to do equations that are a little bit different than that. So if we look at something like 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, right? So if 6 plus 6 equals 12, we should know that 7 plus 6 equals 13, because that's just one more than 12. What I'm hoping that you can see is that that 6 is still a 6, but this 7 can be 6 plus 1. So if we can do 6 plus 6 is 12 quickly, then we know that we have just one more than that. So we know, we're going to go on with this again, 7 plus 7 equals 14, right? So it makes sense again to say 7 plus 8 equals 15, because we have 7 plus 7 plus one more. I'm going to phrase it different this time. Let's look at 8 plus 9. We can look at, if we're doing doubles plus 1, which is what this is called, doubles plus 1. That's what we're talking about today, using this strategy. So if we have doubles plus 1, what are the two numbers that you would call the doubles in this one? If you thought 8 plus 8, that was really smart. We know right off the bat that 8 plus 8 equals 16. Well, if we know 8 plus 8 equals 16, then really this is 8 plus 1, isn't it? So we have 8 plus 8 plus 1. So that one equals 17. Right now, I would like for you to get out your math book, or not your math book, your math page. So page 21. And right here in this middle column, that right there says doubles plus 1 and doubles minus 1. So we're actually going to look at the plus ones. So where's the minus? I guess it's just telling us that we can do it either way. Okay, so right here, I can look at 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 more equals 11. So if I pull this 5 out of that 6, then I can say it's 5 plus 1. 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals 11. Let's look at this one now. What number, if we're doing doubles plus 1, what two numbers are we going to add together? We're going to add 6 plus 6. What does that equal quickly? Yep, you got it. Equals 12. Well, this 7 is really 6 plus 1 more. So 12 plus 1 more equals 13. I'd like for you to pause the video and try doubles plus 1 for this one, and this one. Go ahead and put a little check mark next to those 3 so you know that those were the ones that we're going to do. Pause the video right now so that you can finish this part. Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to pull the double 7s plus 1 more, double 8 plus 1 more, and double 9 plus 1 more to get these answers. Now let's take a peeksy pie at subtraction doubles. So subtraction doubles aren't all that different from the addition doubles plus 1. So if we end up, maybe go like this. There we go. Can you see all that? Yes, you can. So we're going to do doubles minus 1. So doubles minus 1 is not that different. So if I did 6 plus 5 using doubles minus 1, what I'm going to do is add 6 plus 6, because this is 6 minus 1, right? So 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then we take away 1. 12 minus 1 equals 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. I have to tell you, friends, I use this one a lot. I use this one sometimes. My brain does the adding one a lot faster than the minus one, and I don't know why. That's just the way my brain works. But we're going to go ahead and try this anyway, because you might like doubles minus 1. You might be a little bit different from me. So let's go ahead and try 7 plus 6 equals. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 7 plus 7. And we know that fast, so we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now we know that we don't have a 7 there, really. This is just a 7 minus 1. So we need to do 14 minus 1 right now, and that equals 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. If you can train your brain to use either of these tricks, that might really help you become a faster mathematician. Let's grab page 21 again. And this time, we're going to look at those ones that were right below there. So 5 plus 4. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. This might make perfect sense to you, this might be a little confusing. And that's okay to feel confused right now. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 minus 1 equals 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Go ahead and finish this row with those next 3. Pause the video and finish those ones. All right, hopefully you noticed that this was 7 plus 7 equaling 14 minus 1 equals 3. 8 plus 8, that's 16, minus 1 equals 15. And 9 plus 9 minus 1 equals 17. So hopefully you're able to get that. Go ahead and pause the video and solve this first row right now. All right, mathletes, you might have already guessed where we're going next, and that is because you read this. Right here it says addition doubles and subtraction doubles. We just finished filling that in. We worked on this over the last little bit, and now we're going to talk about doubles plus 2 and doubles minus 2. They are not all that different than doubles plus 1 or doubles minus 1. All right, so if we have the equation of 8 plus 6, I don't know 8 plus 6, but I do know 6 plus 6. But I had to take away 2 from that to solve that. So really, I have 2 plus 6 plus 6. If I solve this one first, that equals 12. And then I just need to add 2 more, which totals 14. So it's a lot like doubles plus 1, where I'm doubling the equation that I know and then adding the leftover part that I took off to make it easier for myself on a little bit later. We can also do doubles minus 2. So if I wanted to do 8 plus 6 again, sorry, I'll write that answer. But I wanted to do doubles minus 2, I would add the bigger number, 8 plus 8, and then I would need to subtract 2 because this one is 8 minus 2. Minus 2. So 8 plus 8 equals 16, minus 2 equals 14. So it's just one more way for you to practice being a mathematician and doing some problem solving in your head. And do you want to know something? The longer I'm a mathematician, the more I use these tricks. So go ahead and solve these ones using doubles plus 1, doubles plus 2, and doubles minus 2. Pause the video and finish those. This is the next page that's part of our math assignment. This is in your packet, but here's the deal, friends. I'm going to make this optional. Optional means if you want to do this page and you want to practice more, or if your family wants you to practice more, or if you're bored or whatever, you can do this one. If you feel really comfortable with your doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1, doubles plus 2, and doubles minus 2, if you feel comfortable with all of those, then you don't have to do this one if you don't want to. If you want to do it for fun, go for it. All right, friends, that's our entire assignment for today. I will see you next time.